Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet this cute orange floral earrings. It's a very simple easy pattern. You can also find the free written pattern in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. If you have an Instagram account, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. I post project updates and fun reels on my Instagram. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So in this video we're going to make this cute orange floral earrings. I have already made one of this. So we are going to use size 8 cotton crochet thread for making this cute earrings. You can buy these size 8 crochet thread off from Amazon. I'll also post the link of this thread in the description box. And as you can see, we also need to block these earrings once we are done. I'm going to use 1.25 millimeter crochet hook for making these earrings. And we'll need scissors and some white glue and water for blocking these earrings. So for round 1, I'm going to make a magic ring and then I'm going to work a chain 3. This chain 3 right here is considered as our first double crochet, and then we are going to work 11 double crochets around the magic ring. So along with the chain 3, it is considered as 12 double crochets worked on the magic ring. So go ahead, work 11 double crochets around the magic ring. So after you have worked your 12 double crochet, which includes our starting chain 3, I'm going to tighten the magic ring and then I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3. So with this, our round 1 is complete. So at the end of round 1 you should have 12 double crochet stitches, which includes our starting chain 3 stitch, and then tighten the magic ring even more and secure it with a knot. And then we'll start working round 2. For round 2, we're going to work chain 2 double crochet 2 together, which will be our first stitch and which is considered as our first double crochet 3 together. So I'm going to work, yarn over, insert my hook on the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops only, and then I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook in the stitch, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops only, and then yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So this is our chain 2 double crochet 2 together. Then I'm going to work a chain 3 and then I'll work double crochet 3 together. So on each stitch of round 1 I'm going to work double crochet 3 together followed by a chain 3. So I'm working my double crochet 3 together here and then I'll work a chain 3. So just for the starting stitch we worked chain 2 double crochet 2 together. In all the other stitches we'll be working double crochet 3 together followed by a chain 3. This is the third stitch. I'm going to work my third double crochet 3 together. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook on the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, and then I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook on the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops only, and then I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook in the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops only, and then I'm going to yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook, and then I'll work a chain 3. So that's my third double crochet 3 together, and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet 3 together followed by a chain 3 on each stitch of round 1. So at the end of round 2 I'll have 12 double crochet 3 together with in between chain 3 spaces. So continue working this pattern around. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So now we are at the end of round 2. I'm going to work my last chain 3 and then I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting, double crochet 3 together, which is our chain 2 double crochet 2 together. So with that our round 2 is complete. After this, let's start working round 3. So before proceeding round 3, I'm going to work a slip stitch onto my next chain 3 space, and then I'll work a chain 1 which does not considered as a stitch, and then I'm going to work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and then 1 double crochet and 1 picot stitch. Picot stitch is nothing but chain 3 and then slip stitch on chain 1. So that's your picot stitch. Once you have worked picot stitch, I'm going to work a double crochet and then I'll work 1 half double crochet and then I'll work 1 single crochet on the chain 3 space of round 2. So we're going to repeat this on each chain 3 space of round 2. So after this, I'm going to work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, a picot stitch, and then 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet on the second chain 3 space. So repeat this pattern on each chain 3 space of round 2. So this is my third chain 3 space. I'm repeating the pattern all over again. And I'll continue doing so on each chain 3 space of round 2. So this is our last round, and continue working this pattern around on each chain 3 space of round 2. So I have worked my last single crochet on the last chain 3 space of round 2. After this, I'll work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet to close this round, and then you can snip off your yarn and weave your ends, and then you can snip off the odd bits of yarn, the thread. So we are done with the earring pattern here. Just weaving the ends. So as you can see, the pattern is not very stiff for an earring. You can see that it's wobbly. So we need to block this earring in one part of glue and water, mixed it together. So I usually use Elmer's glue, the Elmer's white glue, and mix it with water. Dip your work in that and air dry it for about a day, so it should stiffen up. So now I have blocked it. You can see how stiff this work is, and then I'm gonna add earring hoops to any of the picot stitches of round 3. So your earring is done. So I have if you need instructions for blocking, I have added the link of a video tutorial where I have shown the complete blocking instruction. You can follow the video and block your earrings, and it's very simple, easy pattern. Can be worked as a gift, and I hope you enjoyed making this orange floral earrings with me. Have fun making them in many different colors, and you can find the free written pattern in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. And if you have an Instagram account, I would like to see your work that you made with this earring pattern, and do tag me on your post. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.